Annex. Makati City. Basang-basa. Next namin is fun roof. Feel mo na may music eh. Next stop, where are we going? This is the gate of Charing.
The other gate, yung parang may ilaw next to it. Portal nga, mother gate nga. Yung pinaka-pangalawa.
Tama yan, be? Pepe ko yan, be. Finished na, and 5 stations, and it's fun. Yung iba din na namin na pinasukan. Saan ulit tayo? What's in the bag?
Acrylic.
Acrylic. Oy! Ano yan? Oh, wow! Ang cutesy. Ano yan?
Stickers.
Ay, taray. Ay, ang cute! We deserve that. I also have the same kasi the same lang to sila. We're going home! We're going home!